Turbine blades are parts with complex geometry, and they must have an excellent surface finish. This also applies to tooling and dies and mold parts. Precision CNC machining centers can machine practically any ferrous or non-ferrous part material and part configurations. High-tech CNC machining centers by HAMUEL are sound and flexible all-rounders. HAMUEL and its two wholly owned subsidiaries is a member of the Schädel Group, operating at 29 locations worldwide with total employment of about 3,600 personnel at 37 factories. So HAMUEL is a global player too, with long-term prospects. The Schädel Group offers a wide range of products and services, whereby the individual divisions operate individually and independently. Combining the strength and expertise of the group members results in synergy effects that benefit our customers in cost, quality and time. Basic components of CNC machining centers have to be engineered with utmost care. The work done at this stage lays the foundation of the final quality of a machine. The gas cutting unit presents an impressive display of fireworks. It ensures optimum cutting quality when making mechanical components. The welding experts then ensure that all individual parts are joined together with absolute precision. After welding, the workpieces are stress relieved in a special annealing furnace. Sandblasting produces absolutely clean surfaces, ensuring optimum adhesion of the primer. A modern laser cutter can machine both complex shapes and small contours without manual cutting tools, allowing high-speed cutting at minimum stress on the workpiece as well as absolutely burr-free part edges. Bent parts up to 4 meters in length can then be made from laser blanks. The spectrum comprises a range from just 100 grams to 400 kilograms for sheet metal covers. A lot of experience as well as a steady hand are needed for scraping machine parts. Finally, every part of a precision machine tool must be accurate within 1/1000th of a millimeter. The expertise of the engineers is always demanded when individual customer requirements are to be fulfilled. Besides excellent dynamics of the machine tool, efficient tool change systems ensure the cost optimization required by the customer for his own production process. Every high-tech machining center made by HAMUEL combines efficient roughing with dynamic finishing, whereby the workpieces are manufactured in a single clamping. The exceptional rigidity of the machines allows working with longer tools, as well as high feed rates and high speeds. Thanks to the high-speed cutting technology, which is an integral part of the machining center, the most efficient cutting materials can be used. This leads to an immense reduction in machining time, and there is usually no need for the customer to carry out manual finishing work, which is often a significant competitive advantage. A look at the production process of turbine blades gives an impression of the efficiency of HAMUEL's high-tech CNC machining centers. In addition to quality assurance of the machine's mechanical components, the Quality Control Department also validates the manufacturing quality of workpieces produced by the machine. Complex engineering expertise ensures that it pays for a customer to invest in a machining centre made by HAMUEL. The 3FTB, for example, was designed in such a way that the so-called finger crown feet of long turbine blades can be manufactured in half the time usually required, an enormous cost saving. In addition, HAMUEL is known as an expert with regard to modernization of existing large-scale machines and as a manufacturer of components of machine tools. All the portal milling machines of HAMUEL's HSM series are available as table machines or as gantry machines. Via two CNC rotational axes, the tool can be set in an optimum position in relation to the workpiece. The automation system includes changes of tools and milling heads, the tool gauging by laser, the workpiece zero-point clamping system seat and measurement, as well as a video monitoring system. We at HAMUEL are very customer-oriented. Thanks to our telediagnostic module, maintenance and technical support of our machining centres are offered worldwide, around the clock. We transform innovative ideas into practical use, with speed and agility, to offer our customers optimized machining processes.